The International Space Station flew over Hurricane Lane in the Central Pacific yesterday, and you can see it here. There goes the eye underneath one of the wings from the International Space Station, but an unbelievable view, really. And we'll take you to a different view. This is inside the eye of Hurricane Lane from a hurricane hunter, and they did find that Hurricane Lane had 160-mile-per-hour winds yesterday, making it a Category 5 storm. The latest update from the National Hurricane Center today suggests still Category 4 strength with 130-mile-per-hour winds, and is getting very close to the Big Island. We've already had reports of almost a foot of rain there. This storm system could certainly be a major hurricane yet tonight as it passes just west of the Big Island. So the good news is that the worst of the wind will stay offshore. However, we're going to be dealing with some very strong winds and also some very heavy rainfall. So for that reason, the National Weather Service continues hurricane warnings, and a hurricane watch still in place for Kauai. But flash flood watch is also in place, with total amounts of rain again exceeding maybe 20 inches for the Big Island. And this is how much rain could fall. Honolulu, maybe upwards of 10 inches of rain. So that is going to be some significant rainfall that develops with Lane. All right, in the Atlantic Basin, things are overall pretty quiet, but we are tracking a wave of energy off the western tip of Africa that may have a low probability of tropic formation over the next 5 days or so. Meanwhile, smoke continues in the northwest thanks to all the wildfires. So we have poor air qualities, red flag warnings, and fire weather watches, with daytime highs starting to cool down. Yesterday we had a high temperature record in Seattle at 89. Today, though, at 70. A lot of smoke in the atmosphere there, and monsoon thunderstorms continue in the Four Corners region. At least in Phoenix here, may see that through Saturday with triple-digit high temperatures and, again, pockets of locally heavy rain. Meanwhile, today we have some severe weather potentially in the central U.S. That is going to be also down into northeastern Kansas, with heavy rainfall on the way for the Midwest. Some spots need it.